Good morning, dear students. Question number 1. Write the formula for calculating the density of a substance. Density is equal to mass divided by value. Question number 2. What is relation between the CGS and SI units of density? So here this is the relation. 1000 kilogram per meter cube is equal to 1 G per cc. Okay, G gram per cc. And question number 3. How would you define the relative density? The relative density or specific gravity of a substance is the ratio of its density to that of a standard substance. Again, the relative density or specific gravity of a substance is the ratio of its density to that of a standard substance, usually water. Question number 4. When does a body float in a liquid? Answer: a body floats in a liquid. A body floats, you will write floats in a liquid, if its density is less than that of the liquid. Again, when does a body float in a liquid? A body floats in a liquid if its density is less than that of the liquid. Okay, you will write only top 4 short answers, and in long answers you will write only 3 long answers. First one, what is Eureka can? How would you use it to determine the density of an irregular solids? Here, this is the answer. Eureka can. You will write whole paragraph. Okay, Eureka can. A Eureka can is a container with a spout. From here to cylinder gives the volume of the solid till here. Okay, this is the first long answer of first long question. And question number 2. How would you determine the density of a liquid using a graduate cylinder? Okay. So here this is the answer number 2. This is the answer number 2, to determine the density of a liquid from here to calculate the density of the liquid by dividing its mass by its volume. Okay. Again, from here, to determine the density of a liquid till liquids by dividing its mass by its volume. Okay, this is the answer of question number 2. And question number 3, what is a specific gravity bottle? How it is used to measure the density of liquid? So here this is answer. A specific gravity or relative density bottle is a small thin walled glass. Okay, you will write till water as the ratio of mass by volume of substance to the mass of volume of a water. Okay, again I will give a short answer for this question. Again, a specific gravity bottle. Please listen carefully. A specific gravity or relative density bottle is a small thin walled glass bottle used to measure the density or relative density of a liquid before. Okay, liquid here, only here. And for measuring, how to measure? Here, a specific gravity bottle has a fixed capacity which is usually 50 cc and sometimes 25 cc. The capacity is marked on the outer surface of the wall of the bottle, and bottle has a glass stopper with a thin hole till value marked on the bottle. Okay, here this is answer. Again, from a specific gravity or relative density to the density of a liquid, and again a specific gravity bottle till marked on the bottle. This is the answer of question number 3. Here we have witnessed today's class, and I will send objective questions and fill in the blanks in your group. Here we have finished this chapter. Thank you very much.